The world are race digital like Formula One. If your business still upon donkey cart speed, you're not even reach the starting line.
Let me reason playing for 5 minutes about something when I know fad. The world are turned digital quick and AI are the new engine.
Picture this. You're there yard with just your phone and internet. And you look around and I say, me no have no work. Me can't make no money. In this new time, with all of the new technology, you really know if you talk them thing there. Platform about the place where you can jump on right now. Like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance, and many more. All them can turn income once you decide to use them. Your phone not just for scroll bumper picture. The future got AI and enough job that they online. From chatbot building to prompt writing to AI art and many more. Prompt writing are like sweet talking girl. You have to know the right words to get the good response. That skill pay real bills. Me back my people, them a chat about some foolish dress code, but me know say a pure discrimination against me fur. Anyway, tell you plain, time's rough and it now ease up. Foreign already going through hardship, touch a move lightning speed. Right now, big country, them a use AI to deal with the storm with upon them doorstep. Job cutting, costs and rise. Business a change how them operate overnight. And remember what always happen. When foreign catch flu, Caribbean catch pneumonia. It soon trickle down here too. So we try and sit down and laugh off AI like it's just joke or dance move on social media. This is the lifeline for our future. The tool where we have to master to ride out hardship. For us to build business and to secure bread pan table. For example, look on this footage and see what's going on in foreign. See how hard things are getting.
Life for you from the pocket run dry. Every little dollar just a pass me by. Work all day.
All right, here's a question. Could the rise of artificial intelligence lead to job losses for everyday Americans trying to make ends meet?
We don't view AI as taking away jobs. We view AI as helping these entrepreneurs create more jobs.
Right now, AI can open doors will lead straight to new revenue stream and global customers. Entrepreneur will step through, I go unlock big return. The one them will linger, I go sit down on the side and watch. Take this like your invitation to get pay, build skill, and get practical. Take action, and you will be rewarded.
AI can't cook rice and peas yet, but it sure can cook up new money for your pocket. If you want to go more in depth in it, like, subscribe, and drop a comment to make we know. Jamaica to the world. You don't know. Jamaica. Excuse the excitement, my viewers. But me tell you straight, once Jamaica win, this mongrel try and sit still. My tail start work before my brain catch up. Yes, sir. Jamaica sweep through the men's 100 like broom in a yard. Gold and silver, pack up nice in our pocket. Me no quick for side with your max. But me can't lie, you talk straight truth. Anywhere upon the globe, man train till them body mash up, eat clean, rock the brand new crepe, and still, despite all that, the only thing them catch are the back view of the green, yellow, and the black.
This time they're away. It's a decent start, Bolt Isles, but not a brilliant one. Thompson's in the driving seat here, but watch Seville on the near side. It's ever so close. Seville from Thompson. Seville to finally deliver on all that promise from all those years. Bitterly disappointed in 22, bitterly disappointed in 23 and 24, but this time he's come out on top of the world.
And they're away first time. Great start for Melissa Jefferson-Wooden. Jefferson-Wooden into her running in the middle of the field, but she's got company. Clayton going well to her side, but Melissa Jefferson-Wooden streaks away in the closing stages.
Respect Tina Clayton, silver medal now, but trust me, the goal already write your name. It just take wrong bus this year. But Max, me have to say this on live TV, between you and me, I know I would have smoked you in at the 100. But Billy, you can't even run from the goat thief them. You just barely manage to get away. Wouldn't I know better than Mr. Chin? Why you have to go there? Why you have to go there, Max? I don't know, pay me enough. We have settled this on the track. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below